Hello, asalam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings to you all, my beautiful family. It's a juice day. We are going to prepare, we are making juice, which is cocktail juice without pineapple. As you are chilling at home, it's a public holiday, please let's enjoy this type of juice. It's a very nutritious juice for the day. Let's enjoy it. You give a video like, you watch a video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting the girls so that the channel grows. We are going to make our holiday juice, which is a cocktail. While resting at home, please, you need to sip a sip of this nutritious juice. Stay tuned. Let's make our juice. Very natural and delicious, nutritious juice. Let's make our juice. This is a healthy juice of the day. For those who are just relaxing, preparing your lunch, you need to include also this type of juice. Include also my beetroots. I have only one beetroot in my juice, so stay tuned. Let's make a healthy juice of the day. This includes also beetroot. So we are going to make also some bagia. We'll be enjoying our cocktail juice with bagia. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. So this is our healthy juice. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. We are going to enjoy our healthy juice with bagia. It's just hot here in the village. The sun is too much. So I've decided to make a quick recipe for the day. For the new viewers, you're really welcome, and the returning ones, thank you for coming. Thank you for stopping by our channel. Please continue supporting the girl so that the channel grows. See you in the next video. Bye bye.